Hello everyone, this is Teacher Young Barba, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this printer, Canon iP2770. So we're going to unbox the printer. Turn on power. Maintenance tip, dapat see to it na nakabukas to. Before using the printer, dapat open ito sila. These are vents sa printer, no? Pag nag-print ka na naka-close ito, mag-create ng vacuum, kaya posible mag-spill sa loob ng printer, and then ito mag-blot, or worst, hindi nadadalo yung ink if hindi ito nakabukas. So again, while using the printer, dapat open ito. Then next tip, kailangan kasi everyday nagagamit yung printer para hindi mag-clog. So para hindi hassle na isaksak mo pa yung computer, mag self-print ka na lang sa printer, no? So this is how to self-print. Hold this for 3 to 5 seconds and wait for the power light to blink twice, and then pag nag-blink na ito twice, bitiwan mo na, no? Again, hold, then wait for the second blink, and then release the resume button. Okay, let's do it. Hold, 1, 2, release. O siya, mag self-print siya. Kasamang maintenance na din, no? Kasamang cleaning na rin siya. Okay, this is an indication na ginamit yung printer tapos naiwan itong sarado. This is closed kasi, then you print. Yung mag-create ng vacuum tapos mapupuno ito, this compartment. So ang gagawin natin para matanggal yung ink dito at pupunta dito, open lang natin to. See that? So again, before printing, dapat open ito para hindi masira.